Hey y'all, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making breakfast corn dogs, aka pancakes and sausage on a stick. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need breakfast sausage, pancake mix, maple syrup, milk, powdered sugar, an egg, and vegetable oil. Begin by cooking the breakfast sausage. Next, prepare your pancake batter according to the package. If you're using the same brand as us, we use 2 cups of pancake mix, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 2/3 cups of milk. We also added 1/4 cup of maple syrup. You want a thick but runny consistency. Place the batter in a tall cup. Add a skewer or popsicle stick inside your sausage. Dip your sausages into the batter and make sure they're well coated. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. Add powdered sugar, and there you have it, breakfast corn dogs, aka pancakes and sausage on a stick. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.